Hello, welcome back to another math video. Today we'll be talking about quadrilaterals. To be specific, we'll be having trapezoids. So item 1, we are asked to find the length of the mid segment of the trapezoid. So basically, we are asked to find the length of RS. This one, right? This will be our mid segment, or other books call this one as the median of the trapezoid. Alright, so what do we know about the median of the trapezoid? So, or the mid segment. So always remember, in a trapezoid, we have our base 1. Alright, this is our base 1. This is base 1, and this is our base 2. Now, the length of the mid segment, or I will just call it MS for the mid segment, is equal to base 1 plus base 2 over 2. Alright, so that would be the length of our mid segment. So in this example, we have here 54, that's not 54, 5.4 plus 15.8 divided by 2. So this will give us, let me just grab my calculator, 5.4 plus 15.8. This will give us 106 over 5 divided by 2. This will give us 10.6. So meaning to say, RS now is what? RS equals 10.6. This will be our answer. Now let's have number 2. Solve for x. So again, the same concept. This time we are asked to find the value of x. So what we are going to do is this. So we have 4x minus 17 is equal to 21 plus 25 over 2. Right? And then we are going to simplify. So we have cross multiply. This will become 2 times 4x minus 17. And what is 21 plus 25? That is just 46. And then distribute. This will become 8x equals, no, not equals. That is minus 34 equals 46. And then solve for x. 8x equals 46 plus 34. This is what? 50. Then 80. So we have 8x equals 80. Divide everything by 8. X now will be 10. So our answer is 10. Number 3. Find the length of the mid segment of each trapezoid. So basically, we are going to solve for x, and then after that, solve for the length of our mid segment. So same thing earlier, we have 5x minus 17 equals 7 plus x plus 13 over 2. Then again, cross multiply. This will become 2 times 5x minus 17 equals 7 plus x plus 13. And then simplify, distribute. This will become 10x minus 34 equals x plus 20. Right? And then we'll just go into combine like terms. So this will become 10x minus x equals 20 plus what? Plus 34. This is 9x. This is 54. Right? So 54 54, divide everything by 9, x equals 6. Alright, so we are not yet done. We are asked to find the value of this mid segment. So if 6, or if x is 6, so we will have 5 times 6 minus 17. This will become 30 minus 17, or simply 13. So meaning to say, the length of our mid segment is actually 13. Let's have number 4. Find the length of the base indicated for each trapezoid. So this is a bit different. We are given the measurement of the other base, and then the mid segment, and then we are asked to solve for this segment, or the base. So again, we know that the mid segment is equal to 9.6 plus, I'll just label this one as my x. No, that is a bad labeling because we have x here. So let me just have a. I'll just have it a. Right. So 9.6 plus a over 2. And then again, cross multiply. This is 2 times 11.5 equals 9.6 plus a. So 11.5, this is 20, what? 23, right? 23 equals 9.6 plus a. So 23 minus 9.6 equals a. This will give me how much? 23 minus 9.6. This gives me 13.4. So 13.4 equals a. So meaning to say, this is actually 13.4. Right? Number 5. So solve for x. So we are asked to find the value of x. Alright? So again, we know that 25, the mid segment, is equal to 10x minus 2 plus 32 all over 2. So we have 25 times 2. That will give us 50 equals 10x minus 2 plus 32. This is plus 30. So we have 50 minus 30 equals 10x. 20 equals 10x. Divide everything by 10. 2 equals x. So our value for x now is 2. Let's have number 6. Find the length of the base indicated for each trapezoid. So we are asked to find the value of the base. So what we're going to do is solve first for x and then look for that value. So we know again that 3x minus 1 is equal to 2x plus 22 over 2. So cross multiply, we have 6x minus 2 equals 2x plus 22. Then combine like terms, so we have 6x minus 2x equals 22 plus 2. So we have 4x equals 24. Divide everything by 4. X equals 6. We are not yet done. So if x is 6, this is 2 times 6 or 12. So therefore, the length of the base is 12. Number 7. Find the measurement of the angle. Alright, so we are now dealing with angles. Now, what do we know about the angles of the trapezoid? Especially isosceles trapezoid. we know that this is an isosceles trapezoid because of these markings. So just remember, opposite sides are supplementary. So meaning to say, if they are supplementary, they should equal to, the sum should equal to 180. So we have, we'll call this as x. So we have 59 plus x should give you 180. So we have x equals 180 minus 59. X is what? 121 degrees. Right? Very straightforward. So the same concept is being applied here. Solve for x. So we know that they are equal to 180. So we have 11 minus 1 plus 115 equals 180. So this will give us 11x. This is plus for 114 equals 180, and then 11x equals 180 minus 114. So 11x is equal to how much? Let's see, 180 minus 114. That gives us 66. So we have 66. So divide everything by 11. X is 6. Alright, so again, x is 6. Number 9. So find the measurement of the angle indicated for each trapezoid. So I believe this is a trapezoid. Alright. So again, isosceles trapezoid, they are what? They are congruent. Alright. So how are we going to do this? So what do we know about the consecutive what do we call this? Consecutive angles of a trapezoid. We know that this angle and this angle will give you 180, right? And this angle will give you also 180 degrees. Alright, so again, what do we know about the consecutive side or angles of a trapezoid? So we know again that they are supplementary. So what we're going to do is equate again. We have, this is for number 10. I hope I have more space. So you have 15 x plus 16 plus 20 x minus 11. Again, since they're supplementary, they should add up to 180. So let's try to combine like terms. So we have 15x plus 20x will give us 35x. 16 minus 11 will give you 5 equals 180. And then we have 35x equals 180 minus 5, or 35x minus 175. Divide everything by 5, or what? 35. X equals 5. Alright. Am I correct though? Let me just check. 175 divided by 35. Alright, that's 5. Right? But again, we are not yet done. We are asked to find for the value of the angle E. We are asked to find the value of this angle. So if x is 5, so we have 15, 5 plus 16. This gives us 91 degrees. So meaning to say, this is 91 degrees. Right? Number 10. Again, consecutive angles are supplementary. This is 130. So this is what? This is should be 50 degrees. Automatic. Do we have more? 11.